Hello everyone, this is my new bathroom. Although its work is still ongoing, but today I'll demonstrate an easy way to build an exhaust fan for a bathroom window. For this window, I gathered the white glass plastic plate from a malfunctioning monitor. This glass can function as an exhaust fan and receive light from the outside. I fixed a plan when I was building this window so that I could put any glass on it. I marked the distance from the wall 4 times, above and below. Any glass plate can be fixed using its facility. These brushless cooling fans run on 12 volts. I am currently labeling the area where the glass will become stuck. I have cut marks on the glass based on the size of the fans. Keep in mind that the cooling fans have to be inside the slot. Maintain the necessary space in the cones to keep the cooling fan fixed. I used an angle grinder to cut them. In order to install screws, I have marked and drilled holes. Now I am fixing screw every corner. A 12-volt female socket pin that is attached to the positive and negative wires has been used to install every cooling fan. This is a 12-volt DC SMP's power supply. The 3 cooling fans I used for this project are supported by it. I'll check the project now. Wow! It is working properly. My exhaust fan is ready to install. Already I have installed it in the bathroom. I connected it to the bathroom light switch. Again, it can be switched on, off from the combined board if needed. I am testing its functionality by blowing the smoke. It works quite well. I hope this helps you. If you like this video, don't forget to like and share. And you can tell me by comment good or bad opinion. Stay tuned by subscribe my channel and pressing the bell button to get the next video. Best wishes to you.